Hey y'all, welcome back to Sidewynders Shed. Today we're doing the tedious process of checking the ring gap and putting the rings on the piston. And so I figured I'd just show you one real quick. And right here, this is the top ring. I've already checked the oil rings. I've already checked the second ring. Now I'm doing the top ring, and this is for number 2 cylinder. And I'm matching each ring to each piston. To check it, we put the ring in here. And I got the gap down here just because it's easier to see. And what I want to do is make sure that this ring is sitting in the bore nice and flat and level. So what I have is I already have one piston. It's got the second ring on it. And all you do is you just put it in the piston bore and push it down until the ring stops it. And there's your ring, all nice and square in the bore. And now we're going to take a feeler gauge, and on the top ring, I believe this is a top ring, I'll be able to tell in just a second. Nope, this is the second ring. Yep, this is the second ring. This isn't the top ring. This is number 2 ring. Or no, wait. Let me double check. No, I'm right. It is the top ring. Yes, and the top ring, I'm gapping them at 22 thousandths. This here is 18. That's for the second ring. And the top ring is 22. And it just fits in that gap. It's hard to do and aim the camera at the same time. But it just slides in with a little bit of resistance. This is probably, to be honest with you, about 22 and a half, maybe 23. But my tolerances are from, on this engine, are from 20 to 26. So this falls right in. All right, and that's it. Now, if I can get my friend Sean to hold the camera on me here, I'm going to struggle to put this ring on. And yes, I'm cheating. Now, top ring on this is not marked top or bottom, so it doesn't matter which way it goes. And this is a ring spreader. And yeah, almost got it. There we go. The other thing I like to do is the ring gap. I got the ring gap here on that side of the wrist pin. The other ring gap is over here on this side. I put them 180 apart. A lot of times they say just 45 to 90. And it's the same with the oil ring. I have the oil rings so basically just so that the gaps aren't lined up. Rings will spin on the piston when they're in the engine anyway. But like I said, you just don't want a big line all lined up when you initially put it together. Well, that's about it, guys. I appreciate it. So I'll bring you back when I do something more interesting or do something different.